So I'm from making fluffy, moist, delicious pancakes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Missing someone.
Good morning, my loves. How you doing? How is everything? So today, baby girl decided to slay. I stay in the house a lot, so today I said I want to slay. And then the son was like, Ulidani, you thought you're going to slay? But you know what? Whether the sun is shining or not, I must slay. Today I must look like this. I'm not wearing any jacket. I might later, but anyway. So I'm from making fluffy, moist, delicious pancakes. So without any further ado, let's go right into it. Let me show you how I made all these delicious pancakes. So please subscribe, click on that notification bell, click that like button, leave your comments down below. Let me see you on my next one. I'll leave you with the video of me making delicious fluffy pancakes. So the ingredients are all-purpose flour, milk, sugar, salt, an egg, baking powder, and cooking oil. So in a sufuria, I'm going to put 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of baking powder, so I'm going to mix that together first before we add the remaining ingredients. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, beat in 1 egg or an egg, I'm going to add in 1 cup of milk, which is equal to the small milk at the shop. We buy it for 20 Kenya shillings, and you can dilute it with a little bit of water, a little bit, I said. And now mix everything together until everything is smooth and there are no lumps. I'm just going to show you how thick it's going to be. Add in 4 tablespoons of cooking oil or melted butter, and now for my final ingredients, I'm going to add in an essence. If you're using vanilla essence, which most people do, use 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or 1 bottle top of vanilla essence. Use the bottle top like I'm doing right now. But if you're using a chocolate essence like me, use 1/2 teaspoon or 1/2 bottle top of chocolate essence. And let me just tell you, this was the best decision I made making these pancakes, because after they cooled down, they tasted like cakes. So they lived up to their name, pancakes. Try it out, let me know how it goes. So in a pan, I'm going to put in a little bit of oil, a little bit because the mixture already has 4 tablespoons of oil. You can also choose not to put any oil as you go on, but when you begin, please put the oil. Okay. So the pan is already heated. I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm not going to measure it or anything. Hence, the pancakes are not going to be of the same size. But if you're doing medium sized pancakes, you're going to come out with at least 5 pancakes. If they are smaller than that, you're going to come out with at least 8 pancakes. So you're going to turn over your pancakes after you see these bubbles. That means the other side is done. It's now time to turn it. This is the first pancake. This is how it looks. Now the second one, I do not put in any oil. I used the oil that was there when I was putting in the first pancake, and this is how it looks. So you get to gauge and see if your pan still has some cooking oil or some butter. You just use that. You're still going to have good, fluffy, delicious pancakes, but gauge it and see. And just like that, you have your delicious fluffy pancakes. I was able to get 5 pancakes from the 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Let me just tell you, these pancakes were delicious. When they cool down, they taste just like cakes. They are pancakes. The only thing that was remaining was for me to add in some honey and then put in those blueberries for presentation. But sorry guys, we are basic just like that. So try out this recipe. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments down below. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye. Love you.